Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular and versatile compact SUVs on the market, the 2026 Toyota RAV4. This latest iteration brings thoughtful refinements, advanced tech upgrades, and a design language that continues to evolve while staying true to the rugged, reliable DNA that has made the RAV4 a staple in driveways around the world. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Toyota RAV4, you can tell that Toyota is pushing the boundaries of what a compact SUV can look like. Starting at the front, the refreshed fascia is bolder and more expressive. The grille has been resculpted with a wider, more angular shape that exudes confidence, flanked by sharper LED headlamps with integrated daytime running lights that stretch slightly into the fenders. The hood design carries subtle creases, hinting at a more athletic personality, while the front bumper gains more texture with blacked-out mesh and optional silver skid plates that reinforce its adventurous character. Moving along to the side profile, the 2026 RAV4 retains its familiar, chiseled lines but adds a bit more fluidity to the design. The wheel arches are slightly more pronounced, housing newly designed 18 and 19-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim level. Toyota has also tweaked the character lines across the doors for a more aerodynamic flow, and the blacked-out pillars give the floating roof effect a sleeker, more modern touch. For those who opt for the adventure or TRD off-road trims, matte black body cladding and roof rails come standard, adding that extra layer of off-road readiness. At the rear, the RAV4 gets a fresh update with redesigned taillights that are slimmer and feature a dynamic lighting sequence when signaling. The tailgate has a more sculpted look with a deeper cut-in around the license plate area, making it visually more aggressive. The rear bumper is chunkier, again emphasizing the SUV's readiness to tackle both urban streets and mountain trails. The dual exhaust tips on the sportier trims add just the right amount of flair without being over the top. Stepping inside the 2026 RAV4, Toyota has elevated the interior in both form and function. Materials feel more upscale this year, especially in the higher trims where soft-touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and ambient lighting come into play. The centerpiece of the cabin is a new 12.3-inch floating touchscreen that supports wireless, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Below the screen, the physical controls for climate and media are tactile and user-friendly, a nice balance between digital and analog. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable and now standard across more trims. It displays everything from speed and navigation to driver assistance alerts. The seating has been improved with better bolstering and lumbar support. Under the hood, the 2026 RAV4 offers a variety of powertrain options. The standard model is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 203 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those looking for better fuel economy, the RAV4 Hybrid combines that same engine with electric motors for a combined output of 219 horsepower and an impressive fuel economy rating of over 40 miles per gallon. The RAV4 Prime Plug-in Hybrid is the powerhouse of the lineup, delivering 302 horsepower and up to 42 miles of electric-only range, making it both quick and efficient. On the road, the RAV4 continues to deliver a composed and smooth driving experience. Steering is precise, and the suspension handles bumps and uneven surfaces with poise. The TRD off-road model comes equipped with enhanced suspension tuning and all-terrain tires, making it more capable off the beaten path. Safety is, as always with Toyota, a top priority. The latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite is standard across all trims and includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, and a 360-degree camera system in upper trims. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 remains competitively positioned. The base LE trim starts around $30,000, while the XLE and XSE trims range from $32,000 to $37,000 depending on the options. The hybrid models begin at approximately $34,000, and the RAV4 Prime starts just under $45,000, but may qualify for federal tax credits depending on your location. For what it offers in efficiency, technology, and versatility, the RAV4 provides solid value across the board. If you're in the market for a compact SUV that blends everyday usability with weekend-ready capability, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 is definitely worth a look. Whether you're commuting through the city, taking the kids to soccer practice, or exploring a trail on the weekend, the RAV4 adapts to your lifestyle with ease. The hybrid and plug-in hybrid models especially stand out for drivers who want to reduce their environmental impact without sacrificing performance or range. Overall, Toyota hasn't reinvented the wheel with the 2026 RAV4, but it has refined it in smart and meaningful ways. This is a car that continues to understand its audience: people who want dependability, comfort, and enough tech to stay ahead without overwhelming. With its balanced design, efficient powertrains, and feature-packed trims, the 2026 RAV4 stays firmly planted at the top of its class. Thanks for watching today's in-depth review of the 2026 Toyota RAV4. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think of the new RAV4. Until next time, drive safe and see you on the road.